Hello guys, welcome to the aftermarket analysis by niftinayak.com and I am Vinayak. Today, Nifty shot up more than 100 points and the one stock which contributed for this move was Reliance. Reliance shot up 100 rupees which was around 3.5%, and you all know if Reliance shoots up 3-4%, you don't need the help of other stocks for the index to rally. So Reliance alone contributed more than 50-60% of today's move, and along with Reliance, IT and auto sector also contributed for them. So you can see some mid cap IT stocks like Mindtree shot up more than 5%. And as you all know, I had a trade in Mindtree some time back, which I had shared in my social media. It was in a very sweet spot till now, and now it has gone to amber zone. Yes, it's not in danger zone yet, because of which I did not do any adjustments. So on Monday, if the rally continues, then probably I may have to do some adjustments. And yes, I will be sharing all those in my social media pages. So make sure you follow me everywhere. Tata Motors, they are planning for joint venture with other companies for their EV business, and so even they were in green today. And now you can see that there is fresh expansion which has begun in all these stocks like Mindtree, Tata Motors, etc. And there is huge retail money which is flowing into the market. This upcycle is majorly contributed by retail money. Today, the mutual fund industry touched 10,000 crore for the first time. Okay, so you can see the amount of retail money which is coming. So now, will this trend continue like this, or will there be a correction? We'll have to wait and watch. And now everyone is expecting a correction. And the more we expect the correction, the more the markets are rallying. Okay, the market has rallied without even a 10% correction. Again, it's not mandatory that you should have a 10% correction, but if you have a 10% correction, that will give you confidence to enter. Now, how many of you have the confidence to invest fresh money into the market? I mean, at least I don't have. And last few days back, I sold all my equity positions and I sold the put positions. Reliance is one stock which I felt where I was cheated. So Reliance has shot up more than 100 rupees in just today. Yes, I sold the put option where I will be pocketing the premium what I collected. But if I had my Reliance stocks, in one day I would have made 100 rupees, right? But anyway, overall I am still sitting in profit. So let us see how markets will behave for the next half of the month. You will know that you are in bull market if stocks like JP Associates, Reliance Power shoots up 5-6%, right? So now you are seeing that even crap companies are shooting up like anything. Okay, money is being pumped into everything, and retailers usually they follow the herd mentality. So they just follow what someone else is doing, and if anyone tells them that Reliance Power is going to go to 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees, they'll just go and blindly invest, okay, without checking what is happening fundamentally. Okay, but anyway, whether you like it or not, markets are going higher and higher. Yes, now we have power shortage where because of which these power companies are in focus. So there is power shortage even in India and there is coal shortage, but the condition is not as bad as it is in China. In China, many provinces are in the dark because they don't have power. But in India, at the moment, it's not that bad, and it looks like things can be improved in some time. And today, you have the earnings season which will begin. So we have Tata Consultancy Services coming up with their earnings by today. So I have taken a trade in Tata Consultancy where I have executed a short straddle at the money. I executed it in the second half of the day. Let's see if there is a violent move in TCS on Monday, then probably I may have to do adjustments. Otherwise, there will be some good IV crash which will happen and which may give me some decent profit. And today, the India VIX fell by 0.5, which means that there is not much fear in the market, and now there is aggressive spending which is happening from the retail side because we have a festival season and people were not able to spend their money for a long time now because of COVID. So now it is festival time, there is discounts around you and people have money. So people are buying things what they wanted to buy for a long time. So you see there is good discounts happening in Amazon, there is good discounts happening in auto sector, various things are happening. So let's see how this market will shape up. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys for watching.